This is a Mercedes SL 500. We bought it from Auto Action. It's a clean title, but it still has some problems. It has 4 active fault codes, and the first of them, it's low. It shows low battery. Let me show you. A lot of electrical things doesn't work, and also what you need to know is that this car have 2 batteries. One is in the trunk and one under the hood. On this battery in the trunk, it's 0.45 volts. Actually, where it's another. Oh, this is a test light. As you can see, it's not working because it's not enough voltage. It's not even 1 volt. But the car is still gonna start because of the battery under the hood. That one is still good.
Mhm.
As you can see, the battery in the trunk is dead, but the car still starts because we have another battery. Let me show you. There's another battery under the hood. That one right there. As long as this is called a starter battery because it's responsible only for starting the car. And after you will start the car, the alternator is gonna start charging the battery in the trunk. Let's test it again. As you can see right now, we will have 12 volts, I guess, because the alternator is charging it. Yeah, you see, right now it's 14 volts. The alternator is charging the battery, and we have 14 volts right now. I'm gonna turn it off. As you can see, it shows Visit Workshop and the battery warning light on the dashboard because the battery in the trunk is low. So now we're gonna turn it off, and if it's gonna sit for a while, the battery in the trunk is gonna show again like 1 volt or even like lower, 0.4. So now we're gonna take out that battery. We're gonna go to O'Reilly and buy a new battery. Да, стай кому шаду. And also it shows electric consumers offline. Reactivate tire pressure monitor. Electric consumers offline. And also one more problem related to the trunk. Like the trunk lid is open. It shows this problem even if the trunk is closed, and we are not able to open the roof because of this problem. So now we're gonna try to figure out first to fix the problem with the battery, and after we'll check our problems. Mike is gonna remove the battery, and after we're gonna install this one. What do you need to remove a battery? 10mm wrench?
Yes.
And that's it?
No.
What else?
14.
Does it have a bracket that is holding it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, on the bottom. Right there is a bracket that is holding the battery. You need to remove that nut, the bracket, and after you'll be able to take out the battery. Oh. One battery is out. The new battery is installed. It doesn't fit perfectly because it's different. We're gonna go tomorrow to O'Reilly to buy a new one, but like right now we're just gonna connect it to see if it's gonna work or not. I had a lot of problems opening the door and closing, but the window is not closing all the way. The remote is not working to open and close the door, and I guess all these problems are related to the battery. So now we're gonna test it to see if it's gonna work or not. Gata? The battery was replaced. Now I will try to start the car and to see if we have any problems or not. It still shows a battery, but probably we need to connect the computer maybe to delete the problem. Yeah, the remote still doesn't work. Maybe. I replaced the trunk battery, but as you can see we still have a warning light on the dashboard is asking to visit the workshop, probably because we need to reset the battery replacement. After replacement you need to do a battery reset. So now we're going to connect the computer and to reset the battery. Puerto Vallarta. Went to a shop, we did a battery reset and everything works. We don't have a warning light. As you can see, no more battery warning light on the dashboard. Now we need to fix the roof because the summer is coming. See you in the next video.